Breakthrough. Alpha collaboration reports first measurements of certain quantum effects in antimatter. I'm Steve Blair. Welcome to Breakthroughs. The Alpha collaboration at CERN, which involves physicists from the University of Liverpool, has reported the first measurements of certain quantum effects in the energy structure of antihydrogen, the antimatter counterpart of hydrogen. These quantum effects are known to exist in matter, and studying them could reveal as yet unobserved differences between the behavior of matter and antimatter. The results, described in a paper published in the journal Nature, show that those first measurements are consistent with the theoretical predictions of the effects in normal hydrogen and pave the way for more precise measurements of these and other fundamental qualities. Jeffrey Hanks, spokesperson for the Alpha experiment, said, "Finding any differences between these two forms of matter would shake the foundations of the standard model of particle physics. And these new measurements probe aspects of antimatter interaction, such as the Lamb shift, that we've long looked forward to addressing." Next on our list is chilling large samples of antihydrogen using state-of-the-art laser cooling techniques that rely on the current work. These techniques will transform antimatter studies and will allow unprecedented high-precision comparisons between matter and antimatter. Dr. Petteri Pusa, who is leading Liverpool's Alpha operations at CERN, said, "In the heart of the experiment is a very sensitive silicon vertex detector, which enables us to see single anti-atom interactions. These observations are the fundamental basis for the physics analysis in the experiment." Professor Carson P. Welsh, head of the University of Liverpool's Department of Physics, said, "These observations are an important step towards precision measurements of the fine structure and Lamb shift in the antihydrogen spectrum. Our department has contributed the 3-layer silicon vertex annihilation detector to the Alpha experiment, and this has allowed detecting the annihilation products with very high efficiency and in turn the physics analysis. These results help test some of our most fundamental physics laws. The Alpha team creates antihydrogen atoms by binding antiproteins delivered by CERN's antiprotein decelerator with anti-electrons, more commonly known as positrons. It then confines them in a magnetic trap in an ultra-high vacuum, which prevents them from coming into contact with matter and annihilating. Laser light is then shone onto the trapped atoms to measure their spectral response. This technique helps measure known quantum effects like the so-called fine structure and the Lamb shift, which correspond to tiny splittings in certain energy levels of the atom, and were measured in this study in the antihydrogen atom for the first time. Holy crap, that's cool. I'll leave a link in the description to the full article, and as usual, please like, share, subscribe, and take care.